Hello friends, welcome to part 89 of Laravel 12 multi-banner e-commerce series. So in this part, we are going to work on product detail page once again. We are left with the ratings and reviews for the products. So that thing we are going to cover in this part. Okay, ratings and reviews for the products. And that is for the logged in users. So we have completed that login and register user recently. In the last part, you have seen that we able to do login and register, and this review feature is for the logged in user. Like if we will open any detail page, you can see here the reviews are coming. Okay, and here from here the user can able to add the review for this product. Okay, here it's the form, your rating, your review, your name, your email, and here the reviews are coming on the left sidebar, but it is only possible when the user is logged in. Okay, so after login, we can able to place the review for the product. So we are going to follow the steps you can find under video as well. Okay, so let's start. In the first step, we are going to create the reviews table with migration. Okay, so I'm going to create the migration file. I'm going to run this artisan command, and I'm going to my product folder. It's ecom 12. I'm going to right click, show more options. You can open in command prompt as well. You can open in terminal as well. I have the git bash installed, so I'm going to open in git bash. So I'm going to run this command to create the that migration file for the reviews. Okay, so I'm going to open this one. I'm going to close the env file as well. This is my product folder. So I'm going to open the create reviews table that we have just created. Okay, so I'm going to copy uh, these columns that we want in reviews table: ID, product ID, user ID, rating, reviews, status. Okay, with the timestamps. The product ID and user ID, foreign key for the product ID and user ID. Okay, so I'm going to add this one. Going to replace this one with this. Okay, so this is the reviews table we want here. Okay, and now see, we're going to run this php artisan migrate command to create this table. Close this one, and here php artisan migrate. So it has been done. I'm going to check in my database that reviews table now is created. You can see it's here. Okay, so I'm going to follow the next step. I'm going to create the review model as well. Okay, we can do in one artisan command as well, like a PHP artisan make model review, then hyphen m like this. Okay, for creating the model as well as the migration file together. Okay, you can also do like that. Okay, we're going to run this artisan command to create the review model. So I'm going to right click for option, open it bash here. I'm going to run this artisan command to create the review model. Okay, review model has been created. So I'm going to open this review model, and now I'm going to copy this review model. Okay, so here I'm going to align it. So here you can see the columns that we have integrated in review model, in reviews table, and the product relation between the product and the review. Okay, belongs to relation. Okay, every review belongs to the product, and every review belongs to the user. So these two relations we will add in the review model as well. So after this, we are going to add two relation in the product model as well. So I'm going to open the product model here. So these two relations we will add in product model. So here, one product can have many reviews, so has many relation between the product and reviews, and product can have the average rating as well. Okay, So there is the relation between the product and reviews in which we will calculate the average rating and will display in the detail page. Okay. So now we are going to create the seeder for adding the dummy reviews in our reviews table. Okay. So for the seeder, we are going to run this artisan command. PHP artisan make seeder, review seeder. So I'm going to open this review seeder and we'll update this with these queries so that we can able to add two of the dummy reviews so that we can able to display them in the admin panel as well. Okay, so these dummy reviews I have added. So I'm going to run the PHP db seed class review seeder command as well, and also I'm going to add this review seeder in the database seeder. Okay, review seeder I need to add in the database seeder. Going to open the database seeder here, and here I'm going to add at the last review seeder and here. Okay, so we are also going to run this one PHP Hudson DB seed class review seeder to create the dummy records for the reviews table. So it has been done. Now we will check in the reviews table. You can see records have come, two of the reviews with 5 rating and excellent product, and 3 rating with the average quality. Okay, so now see, I want to tell you that see, for the front end, we are going to work on this, going to make it dynamic. Okay, average reviews we're going to show here. Okay, with the total number of reviews for this product, and here we are going to make this dynamic as well. Okay, here the user will going to post the review for the product, and when the review get approved by the admin panel, then we are going to show here at the left sidebar. Okay, so in admin panel, we are going to show all the reviews that the admin will approve. Okay, so here in our next step, we are going to create the request for the review both at the front as well as the admin. Okay, for the front, it will validate this form. Okay, all the review requests we are going to add inside review submit request. We are going to create this file, and for the admin, for the filters, we are going to add this review request for the admin as well. Okay, so let's first create the review request for the front. Okay, we can create this review request with the artisan command as well, and we can manually create there as well. Okay, so we are going to run the artisan command to create these request files. Okay, first we are going to create in front, and also we are going to create for the admin. So we are going to open these files and we'll update review submit request, that is for the front, to validate the review submit form at the front. We are going to replace this with this one. We are going to align it. Okay, so after this we are going to create for the admin as well. It's already created, we are going to modify it as well. This review request is for the admin. In case you are going to update the reviews from the admin panel, then this request is useful for you. Okay, but it is not mandatory, it is the optional. So if you are not required to modify the reviews from the admin panel, then this review request is not required. Okay, so now we are going to create the review service. First, we are going to create for the front, in which all the logic of submitting the review, okay, for the adding the review, And yeah, only this thing for adding the review by the user. So this contain the logic of adding the review in the review service. Okay, so we are going to create this file manually, or we can also create this file by running the artisan class command. Okay, so I'm going to create this file manually. App services and front. So here we are going to create this file, review service, and I'm going to open this file here. So I'm going to copy the content of this file. Okay. Okay, this one is for posting the review. Okay. Actual logic will be stored in this file. We are going to align it as well. Okay. So now we are going to create the review service in the admin as well, that will contain the actual logic of add, edit, review, and also displaying the review. Okay. So that file we are going to create inside the admin folder. Here we are going to create this file. Once again, review service.php, and I'm going to drag it to open here in Sublime, and we'll modify this file like this. Here you are going to see the few functions here. See, first function is for displaying the review. Okay, in the admin panel. We are going to display the reviews in the admin panel, on the basis of which we are going to see admin is going to approve. Okay, so this one we are going to add inside the admin panel. For showing the reviews in the admin panel, we have this reviews function. Okay, sorry, this one will come up here, and this one. Okay, we need to align these as well. Now it's fine. And now this one is for add and editing the review. You can only add this function if you require add and edit for the review. Otherwise, you are not required this function at all. Okay. And this function is for updating the review status. Okay. The admin is going to update it to active. We'll make it 1. And if inactive, it will be 0. See, for the first time, it is inactive always. Okay. So this is for deleting the review. This function is for deleting of the review. Okay. And now we are going to create the controllers. So first we are going to create the front controller. We are going to create this controller with the artisan command, both for front as well as for the admin. See, for admin, we are going to create the resource controller, as there are few of the functions that we are going to manage with the resource controller. Okay. So for the front, we are going to add this one. Just one function is required for the front. Review controller for the front. Here we are going to replace with this one, and just we are required for the adding of the review. Okay, and also we will define here the construct function in which we are injecting the review service. Okay, and inside the store function we are just going to update the review, going to add the review. Okay, here we have called that add review function from the service. Okay, so just that thing is required. And for the admin review, we require the complete CRUD functionality if you want to add edit review as well. Okay, so that's why we have created this resource controller. So we are going to modify this file accordingly. So here you can see too many functions here, because we want the complete CRUD functionality for the reviews. Okay, so we are going to align it as well. This complete file we are going to align it. Okay, so here we are going to inject the review service of the admin. Okay, and see, this one is for this displaying of the reviews, in which we have called that reviews function from the review service. Okay, and and this one we are going to align it as well like this. Make sure that you will align it properly. Okay, so this function is for displaying the reviews in the admin panel, and this one is for the creating the new review, and this one is for add and edit review. We are going to call it. It is going to just see, once you will add the review, it is going to save that review in the in our database, and it is for editing of the review. It is for the edit form of the review, and it is for the update of that edit form. Okay, it is going to update in the database. Okay, it is for deleting the review. Okay, and it is for updating the review status. Okay, so here see, you don't require these one optional, this one create, store, edit and update, these all are optional. Okay, we just require the index function, okay, for displaying the reviews, and this update review status, and this delete. Okay, destroy function is for deleting the review. Only three functions are mandatory, rest all are optional. Okay, so after this we are going to create the routes for the admin as well as for the front. So let's create the routes now. So we are going to open the web.php file. Here we are going to add first the admin routes, and for admin routes we are going to add its controller, include its controller at the top, and going to add its routes in the admin group for displaying the reviews and for updating the status of the reviews. Okay, see, for the complete current functionality, if you are going to want that, so that's why we have created the resource controller for the reviews, so that there is no further routes you are required to make for the current functionality. Okay, so for making the status active or inactive, we have created this update review status route. Okay, so now we are going to create the front route, and front route we are going to include it as the alias, as the name for the name of the controller is same. So that's why we have created the alias of the review controller, that is the review front controller. Okay, so its routes we're going to create these route auth group route, that is the product review route, we are going to create inside the front group. Okay, and here we are going to create, after this one we are going to create this route, that is we are going to add inside the auth group, because this route is protected. This is required after logged in users. Okay, for logged in users, so this one is the product review, and this route we are going to add inside the auth group. See, complete routes, see, these complete routes we are going to replace with these routes. These are the better routes than those that we are going to manage. So I'm going to uh, just replace all these routes with these one. Okay, so yeah, starting from these I'm going to replace like this. Okay, so for the better routes management, and here you can see that we have put all user routes inside this. Okay, inside this, and here you can see the guest routes, that is without login, and the routes that require the login will come up here. The more routes like the account route, okay, the checkout route will come inside this as well. Okay, and here we have added once again the middleware route. See, these routes uh, belongs to the user, and these are independent of the user. Okay, so like this we can manage these routes. Okay, you can manage in your own way as well. Okay, there are many ways to manage, so I am managing like this. So now after this let's continue, and we'll update now detail blade file. Now we have added everything. Now finally we are going to update the detail blade file. We are going to update this one. We are going to update this posting review. We are going to update this left sidebar. Okay, we are going to make the reviews dynamic now. Okay, detail blade file I'm going to open, and we'll update one by one, step to step. Okay, so near line 59, I'm going to line 59 here, and here we are going to add approved review counts and average. So this one we are going to add before and PHP, so that we can able to get the details of the reviews for this product. Okay, so that we are going to get like this. Okay, this one we are going to add here. For checking the approved review query, we are going to add here approved count, average rating. Okay, so this one is required here for every product. Okay, so now we are going to replace this part with the dynamic reviews. We're going to show. Okay, see here, 10 reviews. So I'm going to open. I'm going to search 10 reviews. Here it is. Okay, so it is statically showing reviews, that how many reviews are there for this particular product along with the star, but we are going to make it dynamic. We are going to replace it with this one. Okay, so we have replaced it dynamically, and now after this, let's move further, and here you can see the reviews count once again. Here, moved to see here reviews, that how many reviews are here. See here, you can see this one also. We are going to make this thing dynamic. Okay, so for this, we are going to simply add the approved count. Okay, here we are going to replace it this one with this. Okay, and now finally, we are going to update now this complete part we are going to update now. And this is the last step here, that we are going to modify this complete tab pane. Okay, you can see product description tab, basket tab, and this one is the review tab. And this tab pane 3 we are going to replace. We are going to make it dynamic as well. So this complete div we are going to replace with this one. Okay, so we are going to align it as well. Okay, like this we are going to make it dynamic. Okay, so here you can see that we have added the form IDs by which we can able to submit the reviews, and if there are no reviews, then we are going to publish that no reviews yet, be the first to review this product. Okay, and the user are required to log in to post the review, and we are going to fill the name and email of the user, and we are going to make it read only. We are going to fetch from the user details. Okay, so user is just required to add those stars and the review of the product. Okay, so now we are going to add this one in the custom.js file. All the jQuery we require for the reviews and rating, we are going to add inside the custom.js at the front. Okay, at the last, we are going to add this jQuery for the reviews and rating. We are going to align it as well. Okay, so now now we are going to create the reviews folder inside the resources views admin. Ecom 12 resources views admin. Inside admin we are going to create the reviews folder. So inside this reviews folder we are going to create the index-based file in which we are going to display the reviews in the admin panel, so that the admin can able to approve those reviews. Index-based file, I'm going to drag it here, and I'm going to replace it with this content to display the reviews in the admin panel. So we are already having the control file, services file. Okay, just the blade updates are pending that we are working with. Okay, so this one is done as well. See, you can create the another file if you require that, add edit review file. Okay, that thing you require, you can do that at your end. If you require, that is optional. If you require to add and update the reviews from the admin panel. Okay, so that's done. Now we are going to test our reviews functionality. So let's see that it will work fine or not. So we are going to refresh it once, detail page. We're going to refresh and we'll see. See, there are no reviews yet. And if I will come up here, and you can see here, please log in to submit a review. Okay, here also you can see the no reviews, be the first to review this product. Okay, so the user is required to log in to post the review, and here also you can see the zero reviews at the top. Okay, so it is working fine and dynamically so far. See, if you are not logged in, you are required to log in. So I'm going to click here to log in. Okay, so I'm going to log in with one of the user. I'm going to check the users here. Okay, so I'm going to log in with this one, with this ID, 1000 at the rate of yourmail.com. I hope that I will remember its password. Okay, let's see. Otherwise, I will register a new user. So I able to log in here. Okay, so now I will go to that page once again to review the product. Okay, so any of the product we can open. So I'm going to open this blue t-shirt. Here now, see, now we can able to add the review. Okay, so here we can able to select the stars as well. So I'm going to give here the good review, 4 star. This is a good product. It's a good t-shirt. You can buy. Okay, so I'm going to see here name and email is autofilled. Okay, you can't change because it picks from your user details. So now I'm going to click on leave your review and see, thank you, your review will appear after admin approval. So we able to add the review for this product. Now I'm going to open the admin panel. We'll see if actually uh, the in admin panel we can able to see the review or not. Okay, so let's see. So I'm going down here and going to check here. So here in reviews management, in reviews, and I'm going to check. See this sidebar I have added of my own. You can add this one. Okay. And here you can see the reviews are here, but these are the this one first one is the dummy review that we have added from the seeder, and second one is just we have added this is a good t-shirt you can buy. Okay, so the review is inactive right now. We can able to make it active by just making it active from here, and see we have made this review active now. And I'm going to check here that after refreshing that review has been published or not. And here you can see you have already submitted a review for this product. Thank you. And the review has been published here on the left side bar with the name Amit Gupta. This is a good t-shirt you can buy. So here also it is mentioned one reviews for blue t-shirt. Here at the top also you can see the one review for this product with the 4 star rating. Okay, so we able to review the product. Okay, so now I'm going to open the going to active the another review that we have added earlier with the seeder, and that is for the red t-shirt, not for this product actually. Okay, and if I will open this red t-shirt, you can see the another review here. One review is here, and here you can see the review. But this user can again able to add the review, like he can able to add the excellent product. Okay, so this one he is going to add this review, and this review will reach here. And see here the review has been reached, and he is going to that make it active. And now he is going to refresh, and you can see the review, two reviews for this product. Okay, here you can see I have the same account with the different email. So now the two times I have added the reviews for this product, but from the different user. One user can't able to update the review. I have the different email, so that's why I have added it twice. Okay, so this review module you can also add from your end, and if you will find any trouble, you can surely contact me. Okay, so see, I'm going with the fast pace as I am working on one UK based product as well and the other products as well. And You can always join as a member to unlock the full services of Stack Developer YouTube channel. Okay, you can always join as a member. So here you can always search for these Stack Developers and you can find this channel. I'm going to provide you the complete source code with support, with lot more things. If you will join as a member, you are just required to open this channel, Stack Developer YouTube channel, and you can join as a member, and you can always subscribe to the channel free of cost. Okay, for all the updates. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye. From here you can see, from here you can join the channel. Okay, after clicking on, there are various type of membership that you can able to join as per your own choice, as per your own requirement, and you can always subscribe the channel by clicking on this button, uh, that is free, and by which you can able to get the intimation. Just you are required to click on that bell icon as well after subscribing. Okay, so that thing you can do from your end. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.